Today is clean girl bun hair. Char. Hi guys, Patricia here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another day, another beauty talk. In this purchase, I've got this beautiful box. Another box to keep. Yeah, I've got the Dior Forever Glow Luminizer. You guys, look at the silver packaging. Isn't it so stunning, you guys? I love it. And of course, not just one, but two shades to share with you guys in natural light. And then, of course, on my cheeks. And I will also try this on my eyes as eyeshadows. Dior Forever Glow Luminizer. I've got it in shade 03, Pink Halo, and 04, Pink Strobe. So they release 5 shades and 3 finishes. Halo, Strobe, and Sequin. I was afraid to get the Sequin, guys, because it might emphasize my unwanted and large pores. So yeah, I am avoiding anything that is so glittery or sequin on my cheeks. So this Dior Forever Glow Luminizer is a gel powder highlighter that gives your skin a veil of light and transparency, and it contains hyaluronic acid which brings moisture and comfort, makes your skin shine brightly like you are glowing from within. Okie dokie, music to my ears, you guys. Let's start the demo. I am excited trying this, guys, on my eyes. I have something in my mind what to do. So this is Pink Halo. So beautiful, you guys. OMG. Definitely gel type. Pink Strobe. Oh my God, this is so pretty. This Pink Strobe. And let's build it up so you could see it. So pretty shades, you guys. Give me all the glow. So let us start trying this to my eyes. I've been dreaming of this. Putting onto the eyelid. With, without. Oh my God, this Pink Halo, this is so pretty, guys, for everyday highlighter, I think. I love it. Strobe shade here. OMG, yes, this highlighters, you guys, both shades, trying on my lids. I don't think this is so glowy or intimidating highlighter. Because you see, I've been building up and it does not show much. Now guys, Pink Halo on the cheeks. OMG. Do you see the glow, you guys? Oh my God. This is perfection. Oh my God. Do you see the glow? How glowy, you guys. Wiping off this brush with a fiber cloth, you guys. I love using fiber cloth to remove excess. Now moving on to pink stroke. So pretty din siya, guys. OMG. Dior. Magti-trending too. This will make a hit, you guys. This pink strobe. And pink halo. Look. OMG, you guys. Look at that glow. There it is with the pink strobe. OMG Dior, you did a good job. I love how it looks on my mature skin, you guys. No regret buying these two highlighters. I enjoy this a lot. Not only on my cheeks, also on the eyes. So this is the highlighters, you guys, on my cheeks, both of the shades and also on the eyelids. I am so impressed with this. OMG, another happy purchase, you guys. Yes, your OMG. This is like made for me. The way I like on a highlight. OMG, yes, it didn't emphasize my texture, fineness, and enlarged pores, and it is subtle, although it is really glowy. I don't know, subtle, but really glowy. It's like you are glowing from within. And FYI, guys, I am wearing a glowy foundation, by the way. So maybe it makes more glowy. Yeah, the foundation I'm wearing is the new Hydra Glow Cushion from Dior. Another happy purchase, you guys. I'm so glad I also picked up this pink strobe. To be honest, I was just thinking picking up one. Just this halo shade, pink halo, because this is so subtle and just my shade. But yeah, I'm glad I also tried this pink strobe. This is so pretty. Also to the lids, as eyeshadows. So happy purchase. OMG, thank you so much, Dior, for making me happy with these highlighters. I really love this, you guys. So, okay. Comment down below which shade is your favorite. And yeah, subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next video. Stay beautiful, stay kind. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. Bye! Kung gusto mong gumanda, mag-makeup ka. Yeah!